Hello, Catherine here again with video number 3. Today I'm looking for movements I can do with my hands and feet. I also want to look for colours in the garden to help me choose costumes for my dance performance. So let's go. I like this long, wavy grass blowing sideways in the wind. It reminds me of my arms. Let's see what happens if I try the movement with my arms. I wonder if I could help these daisies dance along with me using my fingers. Careful not to damage them. I can pretend to pick a flower and imagine that I'm carrying it away somewhere. I like how this mossy, spongy grass feels when I press down on it. Uh-oh, careful. How do you move when there is danger? Do you get away quick? Can you make a getaway from danger move? Here's something else in the garden that feels nice to touch. Scrunchy, crunchy moss on a stone. What can you find in nature that feels nice to touch? Here's a lovely colour orange and yellow. And purple. What colours can you find? What are your favourite ones? You might have something that colour that you could wear as a costume. This would make a very pretty costume. Beautiful colours to wear. Here is a ridge that I like to step up on and jump off. I like to run along with one foot on the high part and the other foot on the low part. Can you step up or jump off anywhere in your garden? You could try floating your arms and legs in the air like you were a dandelion seed floating away. These very pretty bluebells make me think of upside down dangly legs. And now it's your turn. What movements can you make in nature using your hands and feet? Get creative, use your imagination, make up movements inspired by what you see. Have fun. See you next time.